Introduction of Cimb Bank and Bank Islam. Cimb Bank is the consumer banking unit of the Cimb Group. The universal banking service provides including consumers and wholesale banking, strategic investment and treasury and market tough, a network of 1080 branches. Aside from Malaysia, the bank's care markets include Singapore, Thailand, Indonesia. Established in 2006, Cimb Bank is based in Kuala Lumpur, service more than 135 million customers across the country. Next, Bank Islam. Bank Islam is the pioneer of Sharia-based banking in Malaysia and Southeast Asia. It has made long strides to become a global leader in Islamic banking and in upholding its status as the symbol of Islamic banking in Malaysia. Hello my friends, my name is Sweta Raghu and my metric number is 01TKBF2031. Today I'm going to explain about personal loan. A personal loan is an amount of money you can borrow to use for a variety of purposes. For instance, you may use a personal loan to consolidate debt, pay for home renovations, or plan a dream wedding. Personal loans can be offered by banks, credit unions, or online lenders. The money you borrow must be repaid over time, typically with interest. Some lenders may also charge fees for personal loans. Okay, now let's move to the features and benefits of Bank Islam and Cimb. The future and benefits of Bank Islam is minimum financing amount of 10,000, maximum financing amount of 200,000, more with collateral, tenure 1 year to 10 years, repayment schemas, salary deduction, auto fund transfer from salary, standing instruction, no lock-in period, takaful coverage optional. While the features and benefits of Cimb Bank are zero to processing, no early settlement fee, no lock-in period and no stamp duty. Flexible repayment period of up to 5 years. Enjoy quick next day approvals after the completion of application excluding weekends and public holiday. Take a loan from a minimum of 20,000 all the way up to a maximum of 100,000 and 8 times or your gross monthly income, whichever lower amount. Next, eligibility and requirements. The eligibility of Bank Islam are applicant must be 18 years and not exceeding the retirement age at the end of payment period. Malaysia citizen earning a minimum fixed income of 22,000 per month. Applicant must be a continued employee in any of following, which is government sector, selected public listed companies, subsidiaries of government or selected public listed company, other prominent private limited companies as categorized under package companies listed by Bank Islam. Document required: a copy of identity card, latest 3 months salary slip, latest employees confirmation letter, latest 3 months bank statement of salary crediting account, and at least one of these, which is latest income tax form, Form B or Form EA or EC. Any other latest supporting documents such as EPF statement if required. While the eligibility of Cimb Bank are individuals aged 21 to 58 years old, Malaysia citizen, minimum monthly gross income of 2,000, in employment for more than 6 consecutive months, for self-employed business to be active more than 24 months, maximum 60 years old upon maturity of loan tenure. Requirements: employ minimum latest 1 month pay slip, 3 months pay slip or latest EPF statement with minimum 6 months contribution.
Hi everyone, my name is Mayuri Lashmingan and my metric number is 01DKB20F2015. I want to continue with interest rate for Bank Islam versus Cimb Berhad. Fixed rate 1 year until 10 year is 4.2% to 8% PA. Variable rate is 1 year to 3 year base rate plus 2.2 plus. PA. For until 10 years base rate plus 3.5%, effective profit rate to 6.15% to 13.12% depending on future. Base rate is determined by Bank Islam benchmark cost of fund and the stability reserve requirement imposed by Bank Negara Malaysia is BNM. For CIMB Berhad, you borrow until 2000 until 100,000. Loan period is 24 to 16 months. Your income minimum 24,000. Interest rate is 6.88% until 14.88%. Fixed interest rate for as low as 6.88% to 14.88%. Today, I want to continue with fees and charge for Bank Islam and CIMB Berhad. First, we look at for Bank Islam. Stamp duties, wakala or agency fees is 50 ringgit. Cancellation cost when cancelling the financial late payment charge before majority 1% PA overdue installment until full payment. After majority, some element of daily overnight Islamic interbank money market rate on outstanding balance. Post-judgment depression, some equipment of daily overnight interbank money market rate on basic judgment, some calculate for judgment date until date of full payment. For CIMB Berhad, item stamp duty is not fees, interest rate as low as 1.88% PA subject to the bank employment critical, late payment charge 1%, yearly deployment fees no, processing fees no. Second one is we want to see about education loan for CIMB Bank and Bank Islamic. Now we want to see about eligibility and requirement for Bank Islam and versus Bank CIMB Berhad. Eligibility to Bank Islam is application must be 18 years and not exceeding the retirement age at the end of payment period. Must be Malaysian citizens earning a minimum fixed income of 2,000 per month. Requirement is an entire minimum deposit of 20 is required for account opening. Please note that you must maintain at least 20 to avoid account closure. Adding to that, you have to be at least age 18 and above to open this saving account. For CIMB Berhad, eligibility be a Malaysian citizen, have a good academic record and preferring active in extracurriculum activities, have gained admission into a recognized institution of above courses, must be full-time student from public and local private institution must apply for PTPTN loan first.
Interest rate. Bank Islam vs CIMB Berhad. Now let us see Bank Islam first. Generally, the interest rate for educational loans is a percentage, usually around 1.5% to 2.5%, termed as spread, that is added on the existing MCLR, marginal cost of lending rate. Now let us see CIMB Berhad. CIMB Berhad interest rate is 4.78%, covers all your education needs with our loan at low interest rate of 4.78% and 2% processing fees. EIR 5.22% PA. Fees and charges. Bank Islam vs CIMB Berhad. Now let us see Bank Islam first. Fees and charges of Bank Islam. Account closed within 3 months, 20 ringgit. Request for statement per page, 5 ringgit. Replacement of passbook, inclusive of stamp duty, 10 ringgit. Lost, 13 ringgit. Poor handling, 13 ringgit. Stolen with police report, 10 ringgit. Stolen without police report, 13 ringgit. Business account, coin deposits, first 100 ringgit. No charge subsequent 100 ringgit. And now let us see CIMB Berhad. Fees and charges of CIMB Berhad. Opting for an education loan reduces the strain on your family savings and eliminates the need to liquidate your investment in fixed deposit, mutual fund and bonds. The interest on an education loan is eligible for a tax rebate under Section 80E of the Income Tax Act 1961. Features: Bank Islam vs CIMB Berhad. Now let us see Bank Islam first. Features of Bank Islam: convenience, easy to perform daily transactions, save and grow money. Most banks offer certain returns when we put money. Secured keeps our money safe from risk. Now let us see CIMB Berhad features. Interest servicing scheme. With our internet servicing repayment scheme, you only need to pay for the interest on your loan during the course of your study. One of the lowest, with no hidden fees and charges, and one of the lowest processing fees in the market at only 2%.
My name is Yugendran Selvaraju, metric number 01 DKB 20F 2026. Now, I would like to explain about the housing loan for Bank Islam and CIMB Bank. Housing loan. What is housing loan? A house loan or home loan simply means sum of money borrowed from a financial institution or a bank to purchase a house. Housing loan consists of an adjustable or fixed interest rate and payment terms. The property is mortgaged to lender as a security until the repayment of the loan. A housing loan is a great form of financial assistance if you are short on cash or are not in favor of liquidating your savings. With easy monthly installments and the option to choose the repayment tenor as a pay your convenience, bank helps makes your dream of purchasing a home a reality. Now, I would like to explain about the features and benefits of the both bank, which is Bank Islam and CIMB Bank. For Bank Islam, high margin of financing up to 90% excluding stamp duty, legal fees and valuation fees. Secondly, financial tenure up to 35 years or aged 70, whichever is earlier. Next, no lock-in period. Finally, no compounding elements. For CMB Bank, for payment and withdrawal deposit any amount your convenience and withdraw excess funds anytime. The type of properties are completed and under construction. Residential properties includes resort home and service apartments. Early statement is available. Next, eligibility. For Bank Islam, the eligibilities are first and foremost Malaysian citizen, aged 18 and above, not a bankrupt or have any legal action. Finally, minimum 1 year good payment track record. For CIMB, individuals aged 18 years and above. In addition, the requirement for the both bank, which is Bank Islam and CIMB Bank. For Bank Islam, first and foremost, photocopy of identify card, sales and purchase agreement for salary earners, latest 3 month salary slips, employer's confirmation letter, annual income statement or EPF statement. For self-employment or businessman, business registration, last 6 months bank statement, latest 3 years of financial statement. For CIMB Bank, copy of NRIC, copy of passport or MyPR, latest 3 months salary slips, latest EPF statement or last 3 months of bank statement, finally latest 6 months of commission statement. And finally, fees and charges. For Bank Islam, Rm 25 ringgit for the appointment of the bank as a purchase agent and 25 ringgit for the appointment of bank as a sales agent and legal fee, and finally processing fee is waived. For CIMB Bank, the processing fee of Rm 200 ringgit and monthly service charge of Rm 10 ringgit and letter offer of Rm10 ringgit, and finally security document of Rm10 ringgit. That's all from me. Thank you.
Which bank to choose and why? We would like to choose CIMB Bank. The reason for us to choose CIMB Bank is approval are done in a day after completing the application. The second reason is processing fee is totally free. The third reason is a 90% of margin financial leads to a flexible repayment up to 9 years that can ease consumers' difficulty to pay. The fourth reason is approving the approvals are quick and fast under 1 minute. Even big variety of payment method is included. The last reason for us to choose CIB Bank is savings account CIB gives monthly bonus points.